Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by gathering ingredients and making the caramel for a vegan flan. Measure 1 cup sugar and 1/4 cup water to make the caramel, then heat over medium without stirring until amber. Immediately pour caramel into 6 4-inch ramekins and tilt to coat bottoms. For the custard, use 1 can, 400 ml, full-fat coconut milk and 1 cup unsweetened plant milk, plus 3 tablespoon cornstarch and 1 tsp vanilla extract. Set aside while you whisk the custard mixture. Whisk the wet ingredients and thickeners to create a silky vegan custard. Whisk coconut milk, plant milk, and 3 tablespoon cornstarch until smooth, ensuring no lumps remain. Use a fine mesh sieve if needed. Add 1/2 cup maple syrup and 1 tsp vanilla, then heat gently while stirring to activate the cornstarch and thicken the mixture slightly. If you prefer a firmer set, dissolve 1 tsp agar-agar in 1/4 cup water and boil, briefly, before folding. Transfer the custard to the ramekins and finish by baking, chilling, and serving. Pour custard into caramel-lined ramekins and cover with foil, then place them in a deep baking tray and add hot water to come halfway up the ramekins for a water bath. Bake in a water bath at 325 degrees F, 160 degrees C for 40 minutes or until set but slightly jiggly in the center. Chill at least 4 hours or overnight. Then run a knife around edges and unmold by inverting onto plates to reveal the caramel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.